Hello one and all. Today we are going to discuss about life-threatening disease that is mucormycosis. We can say it as a black thread of 2021. First we will discuss about definition. So mucormycosis is a form of invasive fungal infection. It caused by Rhizopus mucor. This fungal pathogen is normally present in moist and damp places like soil. If we look at Indian statistics, according to 2019, Indian states that India showed 0.02 to 9.5 cases per 1 lakh persons. How this fungal infection occurs? The immunocompressive conditions, that is, any disease that lowers the human immunity, are the main risk factors for the mucormycosis. For instance, uncontrolled diabetes, individuals on steroids, individuals on chemotherapy, post COVID patients, and organ transplant patients. We can also find out in HIV or AIDS patients. However, presently in India, rapid increases in the number of cases are seen in unexpected COVID patients, which is a matter of grave concern. These fungi attack the functioning of the vital organs and blood vessels, hence hollowing the basic functions of the human body. What and how it will affect the human body mainly depends on the route of its entry. The area it causes infection like central nervous system, nasal sinuses, stomach and intestine, and skin. We will look the symptoms of this mucormycosis disease. These are headache, swelling on face, redness, loss of vision, fever, difficulty in breathing, coughing, vomiting, black discharge from nose and mouth, and decreasing level of consciousness. How you can prevent it and stop spreading this black thread? First and foremost, wash your hand thoroughly after coming from outdoor. Keep dry and hygiene yourself. Wear a mask when you are outdoors. Take a proper timely medication for diabetes. Add antiseptic liquid to bathing water at least twice a week. Routine full body checkup on every 6 month period. In case of COVID patient, try to keep them hydrated and moving. Avoid outdoor stalls, food and drinks. Boost your immunity by daily exercise and eating balanced diet.